Let us see one more exam question. Question number 7. The question is, so that the relation R in a set A of all the books in a library. So what is the set? Set is given A which collects all the books of the library of a college. Now there is a relation R is given such that x comma y, where x and y are any books from that set A, such that x and y have same number of pages. Now we have to find that whether this relation is an equivalence relation or not. So what is given? A set of all books of library of a college and relation R such that number of pages in x equals to number of pages in y. So if we take the same book x comma x, such as we have to prove that x comma x belongs to R. So if we have taken one ordered pair of x comma x, so it will belongs to R. Why? Because if we are taking the same book, so the pages will remain same. There is no chance of that one time we will take the same book, there will be different pages, and another time there will be different pages, because same book always have equal number of pages. So this relation is reflexive, hence R is reflexive. Now see, if x comma y, we have taken one ordered pair, there are two books x and y which are having the same number of pages, then x comma y will belongs to R. So if pages in x are equals to pages in y, we can also say that pages in y are equals to pages in x. It means y comma x is also belongs to R. Hence it is a symmetric relation. Now if we have taken two ordered pairs, x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R. So if x comma y belongs to R, so pages in x equals to will be equals to pages in y, and if y comma z belongs to R, then pages in y will be equals to pages in z. If we compare these two, so what we get, that pages in x equals to pages in z, pages in x equals to pages in z. So it means x comma z will also belongs to R. So if x comma y and y comma z is given, that belongs to R, and we have already proved that x comma z is also belongs to R, it means this relation is transitive also. Now if any relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive all time, then it will be an equivalence relation.